inverse trigonometry, derivative of inverse trigonometry. So first, the derivative of sine inverse x. We derive this formula, that become x equal to sine y. Now derivative of x with respect to y mean dx by dy, and the derivative of sine is cos y, and we know that cos y equal to 1 minus sine square y whole square root, and the value of sine y is x, that become 1 minus x square root, that is equal to dx by dy. What is dy by dx? It means we reciprocal both of them, that become dy by dx equal to 1 by 1 minus x square. It means the derivative of sine inverse x equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. One more example. The derivative of cotangent inverse x. Again, x equal to cotangent y. Now differentiate with respect to y. It means dx by dy, that become minus cosecant square y, and cosecant square mean 1 plus cotangent square y, and the value of cotangent is x, that is 1 by x square. The value of cotangent y equal to x, it means that become 1 plus x square, that is equal to dx by dy. Now reciprocal, dy by dx equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square, that is the derivative of cotangent inverse. Now the derivative of other 4 inverse trigonometric ratio, mean the derivative of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square, and the derivative of tan inverse x equal to 1 by 1 plus x square, and the derivative of secant inverse x is equal to 1 by x into root of x square minus 1, and the derivative of cosecant inverse x is equal to minus 1 by x into root of x square minus 1. It means in the derivative of inverse trigonometry, if the inverse trigonometry start with c, mean cos, cotangent and cosecant, the result of these 3 ratio are in negative, are minus, are in minus. Clear? This, note this point, in trigonometrical ratio, if the ratio start with c, the answer of these derivative are negative. It means the derivative of cos inverse is negative, the derivative of cotangent inverse is negative, and the derivative of cosecant inverse is also negative. Now some question related to inverse trigonometry. First, y equal to tangent inverse 2x square. First we derivative tan inverse, after that the angle of the inverse. Differentiate with respect to x, mean derivative of y with respect to x, that is equal to the derivative of tan inverse 1 by 1 plus x square, and the value of x is 2x square, and derivative of the angle of inverse, that become 1 by 1 plus 4x raised to power 4, and that become 4x. It means the final answer is 4x by 1 plus 4x raised to power 4. Next example, if y equal to cos inverse square root of x square minus 5, then find its derivative. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx. The derivative of cos inverse minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square into the derivative of this, that is equal to dy by dx into square root of x square minus 5. That become minus 1 minus x square plus 5 into the derivative of square root 1 by 2 into quotient and the derivative of this, that is equal to 2x. They are cancelled. Answer is minus x by 6 minus x square root into x square minus 5. That is the final answer. Now here some important formulae related to inverse trigonometry, and these are very useful in the derivative. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y or minus. The formula is tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy if plus is there, and x minus y by 1 plus xy if minus is there. And other formula 2 tan inverse x. There are three formulas. First one, tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Second, cos inverse x into 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Sin inverse x into 2x by 1 plus x square. And these are the three most important. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. If both angles are same, answer is pi by 2. And some more formulas are there. So first, find the derivative of y equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, where the range of x is 0, x 1. This is given in the question, but we do not use this question. Now cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, that is equal to 2 tangent inverse x. Now derivative dy by dx equal to 2. What is the derivative of this? 1 by 1 plus x square. 2 by 1 plus x square, that is the answer. Next question. Y equal to cos inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Now 2x by 1 plus x square, if there is sign, then answer is 2 tan inverse. But in the question there is given cos inverse x. Now using this formula, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. It means the value of cos inverse x pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. It means that become pi by 2 minus sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square, and that is equal to 2 tangent inverse x. Y. Now derivative. Pi by 2 means constant 0, and that is equal to 2 by 1 plus x square. Final answer is minus 2 by 1 plus x square. The next example, y equal to sin inverse 2x into 1 minus x square. The range is minus 1 by root 2 less than x less than 1 by root 2. That is also given. Now in this question, let x equal to sin t. Putting the value of x equal to sin t, y equal to sin inverse 2 sin t into 1 minus sin square t. Sin inverse 2 sin t, that become cos square t. It means that become cos t. 2 sin t into cos t, sin 2t. They are cancelled. That equal to 2t. What is the value of t? The value of t is sin inverse x. That become 2 sin inverse x. Now derivative dy by dx equal to 2 by 1 minus x square. That is the answer. Next question. Y equal to cos inverse 12x minus 5 into 1 minus x square all by 13. Find the derivative of this. First we write this cos inverse 12 by 13 into x minus 5 by 13 into 1 minus x square. 12 by 13 and 5 by 13. 5, 12 and 13, they are Pythagorean triplet. It means if 12 by 13 equal to cos A, then 5 by 13 equal to sin A. And if this is equal to cos B, then 1 minus cos square B means sin B. It means let 12 by 13 equal to cos A. This implies 5 by 13 equal to sin A. And x equal to cos B. This implies 1 minus x square root equal to sin B. That become y equal to cos inverse cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, that become cos A plus B. Cos and cos, they are cancelled. Now y equal to A, the value of A, that is equal to cos inverse 12 by 13 plus B, the value of B equal to cos inverse x. Now derivative dy by dx, that is constant, answer is 0, and the derivative of cos inverse minus 1 by 1 minus x square. That is the answer. Now the derivative of parametric function. First, what is parametric function? Sometime two variables x and y expressed by a third variable, usually called parameter. If x and y are expressed by x equal to function in t and y also equal to function in t, and where t is the parameter, and these are called parametric form, and we can find dy by dx by the derivative of this function with respect to t and the derivative of this function with respect to t. They are equal, and that is the derivative of parametric function. Now some examples related to parametric function. First, if x equal to 4t cube and y equal to 6t square, then find dy by dx. First, the derivative of this function with respect to t, mean differentiate with respect to t, mean dx by dt, that become power come forward 12t square, and dy by dt, that become 12t. Now dy by dx, mean dy by dt divided by dx by dt, mean 12t divided by 12t square, that is equal to 1 by t. That is the answer. Next example, if x equal to a sin 2t into 1 plus cos 2t and y equal to b cos 2t into 1 minus cos 2t, find the value of dy by dx at t equal to pi by 4. Find the value. Now first, what is dx by dt? A as it is, u into v. Sin 2t first as it is, mean u as it is, derivative of v, in which that is 0, and the derivative of cos minus sin 2t and the derivative of the angle 2 plus u as it is, derivative of v plus v as it is, and the derivative of this equal to cos 2t into 2. Now solve a. That become minus 2 sin square 2t. That become 2 cos 2t plus 2 cos square 2t. In these two, what is common? 2. Cos square 2t minus sin square 2t plus 2 cos 2t. Now 2 is common. That become cos 4t and that become cos 2t. That is the answer of dx by dt. Now the derivative of this dy by dt, b as it is, u into v mean cos 2t as it is, and that become sin 2t into 2 plus 1 minus cos 2t as it is, and that is equal to minus sin 2t into 2. Now 2 is common, 2b, that become sin 2t cos 2t, and that is sin 2t plus cos 2t sin 2t. That is equal to 2 sin 2t cos 2t. It means 2b 2 sin 2t cos 2t plus sin 2t. That is become 2b into sin 4t plus sin 2t. That is the value of dy by dt. Now dy by dx mean we divide dy by dt by this. That is equal to 2b sin 4t plus sin 2t by 2a cos 4t plus cos 2t. Now the value of t is pi by 4. dy by dx, they are cancelled, b by a. That become sin pi, that becomes sin pi by 2 cos pi plus cos pi by 2. b by a, sin pi 0, cos pi by 2 1, cos pi minus 1, that is 0. Answer is minus b by a. Next example, if x equal to a secant cube t and y equal to b tangent cube t, then find dy by dx. First differentiate with respect to t, mean dx by dt. A as it is, first the derivative power come forward, 1 power less. Now the derivative of secant t equal to secant t into tangent t. That become 3a secant cube t into tangent t. The derivative of y with respect to t, b as it is, power come forward, 1 power less. Now the derivative of tangent, that is equal to secant square. That become 3b tangent square t secant square t. Now dy by dx. dy by dx mean dv by dt divided by dx by dt. What is dy by dt? Now dy by, now dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. The value of dy by dt 3b tan square t secant square t and 3a secant cube t into tan t. 3 and 3 cancel, tangent cancel and secant cancel. b by a tangent t by secant square t. b by a sin t by cos t into cos square t. They are cancelled. The answer is b by a sin t into cos t. That is the final answer.